Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial and I hope you guys love it as much as I do. I'm feeling cute right now, all natural, except this pimple right here. Let's ignore her, okay? Let's ignore the frizzy hair for now. And I have some little lights in the background. I'm so excited, yes. So before anything, I like to start off with a clean face. What I use is just any towelettes from Ross, Target, TJ Maxx, Walmart, wherever your local pharmacy, or what's it called? It's not even a pharmacy. Just your local beauty places. Just pick these up. They're literally like $2-3 at Ross and Target and TJ Maxx. Not Target, TJ Maxx, Ross, and Marshalls. And even if you think that your face isn't dirty, you know, like your face is dirty, right? Just always start with a clean palette. You don't want to pile up, you know, makeup and then break out after that. So always, or like wash it with face scrubs, put a face mask, do something, just clean your face. Always, please, just clean your face. So the second thing I like to do is go in with my eyebrows. I don't like doing my eyebrows like after or like I put on my foundation, you know. I like to do it right now so then I can clean it up and have my nice brows. Now I like to go in around my eyebrows and put any type of oil. So I like to use the tea tree oil and I just put a little bit, right? And I like kind of clean it up with my fingers first, right? And then I go in with my concealer and I use the Fiona Steele's in number 05. You can't even see it anywhere, but I go in with that. So just grab a small detailing brush and get your concealer. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions or any comments or anything, any tips, tricks, anything, comment down below and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Girl, what are you doing? Subscribe. I'm pretty interesting, girl. You want to have a good time? Come on, subscribe. I'll wait. Okay, thanks. If you guys want to see a specific type of video, anything like a challenge, mukbang, mukbang, I don't know what the pronunciation is. If you guys want to see anything, just comment down below. Talk to me. You know, I'm here to answer any questions. I'm not a professional. I'm not the best out there. There's absolutely more people, like millions of people that can do so much better than me. But I'm putting myself out there, and you guys should too. Like, don't limit yourself. If I can do it, you guys can do it. Anyone can do it. You just need to sit in front of the camera and do your thing, girl. Like, no one's judging. I'm not judging. If you guys wanna do a collab, like, let me know. So I hope you guys like this look. As I said, it's pretty spectacular if you ask me. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time.